I just got my package from the TikTok shop, and it's going to be something that you glamour ghouls are all going to love. I just got the Glamlite Chucky eyeshadow palette, and I am so excited to share it with you. Let's go check it out. Alright, so first things first, let's open her up. Oh, you guys. Look at that. So this is my first Glamlite palette. Look at that packaging. That is so cool. I'm gonna be very careful here. I don't want to ruin anything. So the promotion is probably over, or they are probably already sold out now. So I'm sorry I did not get this in time for anybody else to buy, but it did just get here. So this was part of their Valentine's Day promotion. And look at the crazy cool palette. Like, changes. I'm excited to see the colors here because I love using reds and blacks, and oh my gosh, look at the talent on those shades. Oh, so gorgeous. Alright, so I don't normally do like beauty looks on here, but some people have commented on my makeup and like kind of wonder how I do it, and honestly I pretty much do the same makeup every time, except for I tweak a couple different things, so I can actually show you guys how you want to do that, or how I do that. Yeah, I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you what I do. In fact, the colors in this palette are perfect. So I generally use 4 different shades in the base of all my eyeshadow looks. And this is perfect because it kind of has a range of those shades in here. And then I can show you how to customize, or how I customize that look every time I go out. First things first, you gotta start with the base. I like to use a cream Aqua Smooth concealer from CoverGirl. I know I'm very, very light on my foundation base. I'm gonna get my hair up and out of the way first. I very lightly just pretty much go over top of my whole eye with the cream concealer. And at this point I stop there, and I'll come back with the rest of the cream concealer later after I've finished my eye look, so that I can touch up the under eye areas if any fall out. I'm just going to show you guys the palette I normally use every day. This is the Orb of Light palette from Black Moon. They are an independent company as well, but one of my favorites. And this is what I'll also use for blush tones later. But I will generally start off with this rusty color here. So I'm going to pick something comparable in the Chucky palette and start there. I'm going to pick a medium fluffy brush. So this has kind of got a rusty color here. This one's called Scarier Than Ever. I'm just going to lightly tap that, and then I come right in here and I'll just fluff it out on both sides. So you can see that that's really, really pretty. Nice rusty brown color. It's perfect for what we want there. Alright, so next thing, I clean my brush. I have this little thing, I clean my brush every time. Next thing we want is like a mid-tone brown, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm going to use this Good Guys color right here. Again, a light tap, 1, 2, 3, puts just enough product on your brush, and then this time I'm going to start from here and sweep in nice and light. It kind of just defines my crease a little bit. Oh, nice. That's a great color. At this point, I'm not even really defining an eyeshadow look. I'm more defining the shape of my eye. That is so smooth and creamy, wow. All right, I'm gonna switch brushes. Next, I'm going to go to this tapered, pointed brush. I got this one from Black Moon as well. And I'm gonna go with a deeper brown. So I'm gonna go into this, I like to be hugged. Super dark. Okay, so this is where you can start to customize your look. If you want a lot of drama, you wanna pull your look out further. If not, you wanna leave it short. I have a work meeting to go to later, so I'm gonna keep it short and simple. I'm gonna start the point right here on the inner eye, or outer eye, and I'm gonna just sweep it into the eyelid very lightly. And then the same thing on this side. Dot just a tiny little bit and pull in. 2 little pats. Same thing on this side. Right there. And pull in just a little bit. Like I said, if you wanted more drama, sweep it out farther. You know what? I'll just redo it for work. We're going for drama. And I'm just gonna push the color out. Okay, so how I cleaned up my edges, I just took a little bit of micellar water on a pad and I just ran a line right under where I want it to stop. I am no professional makeup artist whatsoever, so don't judge. I'm gonna go back in with my bigger fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. I kind of want a really soft, smoky eye look here. Now I'm really excited to get into the reds, which is why I am wearing red today. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of primer down just so it sticks a little better. I'm using a Rimmel Stay Matte Primer and a fine flat brush. And I literally just tap on the tiniest little bit in the center of my eye. This will make whatever color you're using really pop and stand out too. It's my favorite way to customize my eyeshadow look. I will change the inner color to whatever I want. But this blended part on the sides pretty much stays the same. It just depends on how far out I blend it. For more drama, I go all the way out here. For workday, I just leave it right here at the crease and I'm good to go. All right, now there's some gorgeous reds in here. It's gonna be tough to pick. All right, so now I'm taking one of my smaller, finer, detail, fluffy brushes. First, I'm gonna go with black right in the inner and outer corner. So I am gonna use, it's really hard, but I think this Free Hugs is more of a black than this one here. So I'm gonna tap that one. Oh yeah. And just tiny little tap on both sides for extra dimension. Oh, that's nice. Stuff is so rich and buttery and creamy. I don't know why I haven't used Glamlite earlier or before. I just think like a lot of their releases are so hard to get a hold of. I got very lucky with getting this one. I wanted this one last year and missed out, so I'm kind of glad I got it this year. And I'm really, really happy with the product quality. So, I guess I'm a Glamlite girl now. Oh, wow. That's such a rich color. All right, now for that inner side, my primer is set. All right, so I'm gonna use the Charles because sparkle. I think it's gonna be the best color to place right there in the middle. I always pick a high drama shade to go in the center of the eye because I like the glitter and the sparkle. I'm a glitter girl. Oh wow, that's very sultry. It doesn't really come off as red. It does come off a little bit red, but it's more brick. The glittery brick, not like red. That's okay. It's still gorgeous. All right, and now I'm just gonna go in and touch up anything. I'm gonna flip out my point one more time. Now, if I wasn't doing all the high drama today, this look would literally take me 5 minutes before work in the morning with a pat here, here, and my color in the middle, eyeliner, lipstick, mascara, and blush, and go. So it's great to use everyday looks for the office and such. But yeah, I really rely on easy makeup looks because I just don't got the time. All right, there's one more thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna highlight my inner brow, and I'm gonna do that using this Wanna Play color. So I'm gonna clean my brush, fluffy brush again, tap, 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 and boom. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think that this video does that justice, but I'm seeing tons of sparkle. Wow, I like that. And now onto the rest of the look, which is eyeliner. I like these little liquid paintbrush types. You use whatever kind you like, that's fine. I try not to make mine too thick. My lids are very tiny, so if I make my eyeliner too big, you really can't see the eyeshadow that I put on there, and what a waste that would be to see that gorgeous color. And I basically just highlight the lines that I put there with the eyeshadow. And try and keep an even thickness. For my bottom line, I use a cream stick liner. I do not use the paint on. I just found that this is easier and gentler on my eyes, so I will do that next. Your mascara. So I've really taken to like this Douche Punk Volumizer mascara. I got this free in one of those monthly subscription boxes, and it's nearing the end of its life. It's running out, so I don't know. Alright, so now that we got those eyes done, it is time to finish the rest of the foundation.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss an episode of all the fun going on here in the lab. And don't forget to be like the bat from the belfry and hit that bell so you get notified.
Now I'm going to take my extra fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with my Black Moon Orb of Light palette, and I'm going to do my blush on either side, which is also technically my contouring because I never learned how to do that. Sweep it down along my jawline, and that gives me instantly slim face. I just lost 10 pounds. A little bit more here on both sides. Clean the brush. And then I take this middle color here and I blend that out. Back in the day, I used to do these in gray, which looks great, don't mind me, but yeah, some people didn't like it. Then I also take this light brown tone here and I do this under my chin. And that helps slim down my double chin just a little bit, makes it kind of disappear. Now I take a face highlighter, just a little bit. I mean, I'm pale enough, I really don't need it, but just a little bit of sparkle. And now for my lip color, I'm going to use my favorite brand of lipstick. The only brand of lipstick I've been using consistently for the last 3-4 years is Black Moon. These are their very kiss resistant liquid lip colors and I absolutely love them. I have been working on collecting all of the colors. I don't quite have them all yet. I would say I have about half of them so far, but I just love all the colors they come in and the styles that they come in. The only thing that I do have to caution you about is overuse. The little deer feet on the applicators do sometimes break. I've got a couple of older ones that I've had like 5-6 years now, and overuse has made the little applicator fall off, but they are absolutely my favorite. They're very cost effective. The color I am using today is called Sanguise. And it is a stunning blue-red. Look at that shade. And then we let our hair down. Can't forget to accessorize. I don't know. I think I slayed that look. What do you think? So I have to say, great palette. Look at those eyes. I love the color. I wish you could see more sparkle in video. I know it's more sparkly than that, but it just isn't showing up on camera. I really kind of love the grungy red tones that are in there. Not like a bright red, but like subdued and really beautiful with my skin tone. I think it's the perfect shades for my skin tone, as I am very fair. I do not get any color at all in the summer, and nor will I just can't. So these shades are shades that I always look for, like rusty brown red tones. I absolutely love them. They're my favorite types of shades to wear, so I will be using this palette quite a bit. Yeah, I slayed.